So, what are you showcasing at Bharat Mobility and how does it reflect your company's vision for the future of mobility?
So, Rapido has been working to revolutionize the urban mobility system for quite some time, and at Bharat Mobility this year, we've completed around 10 years of Rapido, and we are showcasing our journey, how it has been for the past 10 years, and also what are our plans or agenda for the upcoming year. We are aiming to transform, and expand to 500 more cities this year. So, this is what we are showcasing at Bharat Mobility.
Thank you. So, what are your products contributing to the shift towards sustainability and green mobility?
So we have been working on reducing our carbon footprint for a very long time, and we are also adopting EV vehicles in Delhi and pan India. So since a lot of EV mandates are coming up, Delhi just came up with its EV policies. So we are ensuring that we are adopting these greener policies towards the sustainable mobility practices.
So, can you highlight any new innovation or feature in your product design for electric or autonomous vehicle?
For electric vehicles, as I said, we are already on the verge of adopting electric vehicles. But apart from that innovation side of view, I think we have been launching other features such as Auto Pet, wherein we can take our pets in our autos. Apart from that, we have Bike Pink, which is getting a lot of traction. We started in Chennai, and on Women's Day, most probably will go pan India on that. Also, we have our new SOS features coming up. We have lots of collaborations with metros, metro ticketing feature, which is very innovative because it enables a very seamless multimodal transportation system. You see, we can book our tickets, we can book Rapido, and then towards our home. So collaborations with Kochi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, ONDC, L&T. So new innovations coming up every day, part of our strategy.
So, with the focus on connected vehicle, how are your products adapting to support data-driven performance and safety?
Talking about the safety point of view, I think ensuring the safety of our passengers as well as the drivers is our foremost priority. We ensure accidental and health insurance for our drivers. Apart from that, for customers, we have an SOS ambulance feature. We have an SOS feature which we're collaborating with the Department of Mumbai, and also in Chennai, where we are working with the Traffic Police Department, wherein they can track each and every movement of the driver or the car in case of any emergency that pops up. And apart from that, we have our driver training programs. So whenever a driver is onboarded, we ensure that he or she, they go through the entire module so that there are no errors, to ensure the safety of both passengers and drivers.
So, how do you see government policies and the upcoming budget influencing the product industry?
I think so far, since we are a pioneer in bike taxis, so I think government has been quite supportive. We have had our bike taxis policy in West Bengal and Telangana, and also Maharashtra is coming up with their bike taxi aggregator policy, and we are working on that. But we would also ensure that if governments could be more supportive of that in future and not be an impediment, because it's a great opportunity for the gig workers to come in and earn a separate disposable income, an extra income for them. So so if the government, all the governments, state governments could collaborate on the same, have a same purview towards improving the gig economy, because Rapido is not just about transportation. It's also about improving the life in urban areas, also providing job opportunities to all the people. So yeah.